Good evening, everybody. What's going on? 600 plus subscribers now. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Hey, got another video coming to you. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and be there for that 1,000 subscriber giveaway that I've got going to be coming up as soon as I get to 1,000 subs. Hey, right now, I don't know. I'm heading out to the water somewhere, and hopefully I can get on it. But either way, hang in there. If you're seeing this video, we're doing something. Alright, today we're going to use the fun stuff. We're using a 16th ounce jig and some Rod Knockerz Crappie Panfish baits here. We're going to try this first one here. See what we can do. Here, rig this up real fast. And all we're gonna do is just put it on there, go about halfway through, push it up on there. Be nice, just like that. Nope. There we go.
This place is a time-sensitive place.
I guess so. Feels like a little bit more. That's a little bit bigger one.
A little bit.
All right. Very handsome.
Everybody knows everybody else.
All right. Dude, you should have seen this one guy. He was pulling out one wave runner and about couldn't get out of the water with the truck. I'm like, holy cow, I wish I was recording for that one. It'd be like them California boat ramp videos, you know?
Oh, yeah. I love the Florida boat ramp videos. You're going to keep your hand on the phone.
Dude, that's black crappie.
Yeah, look at all these black crappie. Yeah, that's like what I got. You gotta measure that, dude. Here. Yeah.
Why is that?
Because if it's 14.5 inches or bigger, you can take a picture with the measurement and send it in and get a Master Angler Award.
Yeah, I don't think it's 14. It might be 10. Could settle down for a second.
Probably 12, 11.
Yeah, 10 and a half. 10 3/4.
Feels like bluegill. Feels like a bluegill. Feels like a good bluegill. Oh my gosh.
That's a monster gill, dude.
Look at a bluegill.
Let me see that, Chris. That's a fatty. Nice head on that one. Just like that. Just like that. Come here, buddy.
Damn. Big egg crappie. Next week. Yeah, that gotta be colored.
That bad right there.
Yeah, holy cow. That's a nice, wow, that's a lot of nice blue in there.
Bigger exhaust, we got a new carb on it.
That'd be cool. Do you ever end up putting nitrous on it like you said?
Yeah, it's got, you'll feel it out of the hole, top end. Kind of wasted a little bit, but
What kind of motor is it?
it definitely gets that. You see.
Oh, that.
What is that?
Oh, he wants to know what's in that.
This? It's a Tillotson 225 with the stroker kit in it. So
Like a lawnmower
36,
motor?
34 or whatever.
I'm just slowly dragging it back now.
Got a hot cam in it.
Yeah.
Orange rod.
Come here.
Bunker crank.
Okay, the blue isn't working.
About 25 horsepower.
More.
Yeah, wait, so we gotta get stuff.
Yeah, I wonder if the twisted tail would work out pretty good.
Do you have any of those with you?
Yeah, I got Belleville twister tail.
Oh, look at that, doubles.
I can't see my jig.
That's awesome. Did you guys see that crap?
I think Isaac did that the other day.
Yeah, I did. Yeah. All done, bro.
That's why I use one piece anymore. You want me to glue those together? We got some glue.
Nope, I like it 2 pieces. Nobody's seen that.
I have 200 hours of bloopers. 200 hours of 10-second bloopers.
It came off like it was a good cast.
Oh, it was a good cast. Yeah, there were fish right underneath your pole.
It's got to line it up. There you go.
Yeah,
Yeah, buddy.
that's nice there.
Just caught that on that.
That's a big one. We're getting bigger. Uh-oh.
You got lucky. All right, now I see I go one more time.
Hooking them, baby. Hooking them, baby. Nothing wrong with that, is there? It's a beautiful thing.
So many fish.
When we first went down here, you gave us the neon yellow.
Oh, yeah.
White. That was what we did.
Oh, I just did.
That sounded like a break.
Oh, that's a 2 for today.
That download that looks like a break, my friend. Hear that snow?
Oh, you got one already, huh?
Yeah, that's my favorite spot right there.
Yeah.
I like coming down here when it's walleye are out of season.
He said, somebody stop me.
Are you salmon fishing over there? Looks like a hook suck.
Man, I'm gonna lose 10 pounds. Watch.
Throw them. There you go.
Yeah, baby, we'll take it.
Got a crappie, bluegill, silverback.
Probably pick these guys.
Oh, he is. All of that.
Yeah. Look at how you're kicking this water.
This is so much fun, fellas. Yeah.
Yeah, good. seen mine getting loose, so I put about mine.
That feels a little bit bigger.
Hold it down. Walleye.
Is it a walleye?
Yeah, it is. A little small. He might be. I don't think it's 15.
Ah, he ain't 15.
I don't think it's 15 either, but close.
I want to see. Oh, how long it is.
I get a trip watching him do it every night.